Hey guys! If you are looking for best fisheye lenses for iPhone, you chose right video. Today we're going to review top 5 best fisheye lenses for iPhone. After spending 2 weeks research, we make this list based on our personal preference and based on features, quality, prices, customers' reviews, and durability. Also, we make this list for every type for customers. So let's get started. Starting at Mocalaca 11-in-1 phone lens kit. If you're looking for a kit with variety, then Mocalaca's 11-in-1 phone lens kit is for you. However, we'll look at the fisheye lens for this entry. Though not the highlight, the fisheye lens is good enough to put the lens kit on the list. But that's not all, as the kit and add-on lenses you can use to add different effects to your photos. If there is one thing the fisheye lens has against it, it's the one lens given the least attention. This lack of awareness thus translates to the lens falling apart. Thanks to its quality and customizability, Mocalaca's phone lens kit has the best fisheye lens for iPhone devices. At number 2, Ailun stores clip-on universal HD camera lens kit. If you want a lens kit with the best fisheye lens for iPhone devices, this one might be for you. Like the other lens kit, this one also has an excellent fisheye lens. The fisheye lens captures everything within a 180 degrees angle and fits them seamlessly into your photos. The kit also has a universal clip-on that lets you attach your lens to any mobile device. The fault, however, lies in how too good it is at one thing. That one thing is the lens's grip, as once it sticks to the clip-on, it is tough to get it out. Rugged grip aside, Ailun stores 3-in-1 clip-on universal HD camera lens kit has the best fisheye lens for your iPhone. Now number 3, Criacr stores phone camera lens. Criacr store phone camera lens is another lens kit with the best fisheye lens for iPhone devices. With a wide angle of view, the lens is crafted with the perfect glass to create high-quality photos. It also helps that it has a sturdy and lightweight shell to protect it from scratches and to break apart. That isn't to say the entire lineup is perfect, however. The macro and wide-angle lenses suffer from a myriad of issues. The latter and fisheye lens also suffers from blurring around its images. Despite this, Criacr store's phone camera lens has earned its place on the list as the best fisheye lens. Now our next choice is ANJIELO Smart 3-in-1 cell phone lens kit. The fisheye lens in this lens kit is a worthy contender for the best fisheye lens for iPhone devices. This fisheye lens is the most affordable lens on this list, let alone one that comes in a lens kit. The detachable clamp is easy to attach to and remove from your iPhone. Attaching the clamp to the phone is as easy as changing its lens. Its compatibility and durability make it a worthwhile investment. The fisheye lens from ANJIELO Smart's lens kit is a decent pick unless you're a fan of flash photography. Use the macro lens to get extreme close-up detail. It is fully compatible with the dual camera system. The fish lens allows you to greatly extend your optical zoom range to capture a variety of shots. Capture more and extend the range of your phone's camera with the wide-angle lens. These two small lenses are screwed together for easy storage. To use the wide angle, simply attach both lenses to the clip provided. To use the macro lens, simply unscrew the wide-angle lens. And our last product is Selvim Universal HD Lens. Selvim Universal HD Lens is the best fisheye lens for iPhone devices regarding visual range and clarity. Unlike every other fisheye lens on this list, this one has a viewing angle of 210 degrees. Along with a vastly wide angle, the lens also has a multi-layered HD coating to produce high-quality photos. This fisheye lens can work with most devices like iPhone 13 Pro SE 12 11 XS Max, XS, XR, X, 8/7/6S Plus, iPad, Samsung Galaxy S8/S7/S6/S6 Edge, Note 8/7/6, Google, Pixel, Sony, LG and other Android smartphones. Note, as for multi-camera smartphones, you might have to use different way to clip the clamp and cover the main camera. Despite its many ups, the lens has some hiccups. Mainly, the lens is incompatible with multi-camera phones, and the clamp is too soft to grip the iPhone. If you don't mind that and an affordable option, then Selvim's Universal HD Lens is the fisheye lens for you. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.